And we have a winner.
What are you talking about?
I've been waiting for it like a long line. You search the world and you won't find a nigga like me with a swagger like mine. A brother so free and a nigga so fly. I'ma give you my heart, I'ma give you my time, and I promise always.
Yo, it's your boy Tyrell, and today I'm about to pick 2 winners for our 500 subscriber giveaway. Now it's been about 2 weeks since the submissions were closed. If you guys have seen my last video, which I posted yesterday, it was the Sugar Shack vlog. Me and Roland went and got some vegan donuts. If you haven't, go check it out. I'll put it up here. I mentioned that I didn't forget about y'all. You know what I'm saying? I got y'all. We're about to do the winners right now. First and foremost, thank you to everyone that's been supporting me. My channel has grown like crazy. Here we are doing a 500 subscriber giveaway, and I'm at 625 subscribers right now. So the channel is growing really fast, and none of that would be possible without you guys, man. So big shout out to y'all. If I had the money, I promise you I'll give every last one of y'all that commented on that video Amazon gift card. I would definitely do that, but unfortunately I'm not rich. In order to enter the giveaway, all you had to do was like the video, be subscribed, and then comment down below on that video what your favorite video was. I'll be honest with you, man, I didn't think that many people was gonna enter the giveaway. I guess when I said Amazon gift card, everybody went cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. It definitely took me down memory lane just seeing like all the different comments with different videos on my channel, like talking about my Why You Went Vegan video, my Chef T episodes. It just brought back so much memories, man, and it just shows like how far we came as a channel, you know what I'm saying? I remember when I had 12 or 30 subscribers, I was like super happy, super excited. I'm still super excited, super happy, but it's just crazy that we're at over 600 subscribers now. Big shout out to y'all, man, like seriously. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I try to post at least 2 to 3 times a week. If you're already subscribed, make sure that you hit the bell icon and you'll get a notification anytime I post, so you won't miss out on the newest uploads, you feel me? And guys, if you don't win, don't don't be upset, don't be a sore loser, you know what I'm saying? Like, we're a community, we're a family on this channel, you know what I'm saying? Congratulate them. And you know, the more you guys help me grow, the more you guys help my channel grow, the more you share my videos, I'm gonna do more giveaways in the future, you know what I'm saying? So don't get discouraged if you didn't win the first time I did a giveaway or this time. As long as you guys are helping me grow my channel and y'all supporting me and showing love, I'm gonna try to give back as much as possible. As a matter of fact, my next giveaway will probably be at 1,000 subscribers, and I'm gonna make sure that it's bigger than this one, you know what I'm saying? Maybe more people, bigger prizes, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna make sure it's bigger, because 1,000 subscribers, that's like that's my main goal, you know what I'm saying? I wanna get there, and then I'm gonna set other goals. But with all that being said, we're gonna jump into the giveaway. Let me show you guys how I picked the winners. All right, guys, I'm over on my laptop now, and pretty much there's this YouTube random comment picker. I think this is probably like the easiest way and probably the most fair way to do this. So pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to my giveaway video, and you guys are supposed to comment down in the comments. So you see everyone's comments are here. We got a lot of comments on this video, guys. Like, I was super surprised. So pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to copy that URL, and I'm going to take it over here to the YouTube random comment picker, and I'm going to paste the URL, and then it's going to load the comments. So right here, this is the video, and now we're going to start the giveaway. All I have to do is click pick random, or randomly pick a winner, and it's going to randomly pick a comment. All right, so good luck to everyone. Drum roll, please. Some weak drums, but for the first winner of the 500 subscriber giveaway, Jenny Pacheco. I think that's how you say Pat. I'm sorry if I said that wrong, but Jenny Pacheco. Her favorite video was vegan full day of eating because that smoothie looked bomb and because you gave me a shout out. No, but really, all your videos are great. I definitely look forward to all your videos. Thank you, Jenny. I'm going to leave my email address in the description Jenny, I want you to email me so I can send you your Amazon gift card. I'm going to give you guys 48 hours to do that. So everyone give Jenny a congratulations. Shout out to you. Thank you for the support. I really, really appreciate it. You're definitely one of the OG subscribers. I know you've been supporting me for a while, and I'm very glad that you got a chance to win. So thank you. And for the next winner, we have randomly pick. Literally pick myself. So I'm going to have to do it again. Fawn K. My favorite video is finding out why you went vegan. I went plant-based after watching What the Health 2. I was eating shrimp pasta while watching it, pushed the bowl away, and haven't consumed animal flesh or byproducts since. Keep expiring. Fawn K, shout out to you. My email address will be in the description. You have 48 hours to email me so I can send you your Amazon gift card. And also, you guys will be receiving one of these, what he talking about, you know what I'm saying, one of these cards right here. You guys probably remember this from the 100 subscriber giveaway. I'll be mailing these out to you, Jenny and Fawn K. So make sure that you guys email me within 48 hours so you can receive your prize, all right? If they don't respond in 48 hours, I'll pick 2 winners. So make sure y'all respond in 48 hours. And the things will go out on Friday. All right. So big shout out to everyone. I wish I can give all you guys the Amazon gift card. Like I said earlier, as long as you guys are helping me, you know, grow my channel, you guys are supporting me. We're gonna do more giveaways. So don't feel discouraged. Don't feel like I don't know, because honestly, ever since I had my YouTube channel, I've responded to every single comment. You know what I'm saying? Whether it's big or small, whether it's positive or negative, I responded to every comment and just, you know, telling you guys thank you and just communicating with you. You know what I'm saying? One day, you know, hopefully you guys will win. Next giveaway will be at 1,000 subscribers. So be sure to share this video, share my videos, share with your friends, your families, the cats, the dogs, your neighbors. Share with everybody so we can get to that 1,000 subscriber mark. Help me. I help you. We'll do another giveaway. And with all that being said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. And I will see y'all next video. What he talking about?
What he talking about?